let's run tonight. The colors of your heart. The colors of your
Andolong na bang zone ni phaja yang tema sa phone biji sini bona tla ang loge brok re bona tlang na khata tam thang na no tam thang sa
Con không nhận đâu.
tham lo khan ja
Áo sao nè.
la so
So sendabong có sao nhá. Có bằng school. Bằng school cái yang đó. Có bằng school. Om pai có Australia, om school. Kama cái SARS, yung mga SARS. Mangga Australian school. No, por no. Sara por mía, pero si dice que no va. Nó sao bật giang của airport thang lama, yang mau airport thang lama. Cái áo lòng không cái này trong một giờ cái meeting khăn nhiều massage là bro first time kamu Beijing tuh sama lah ya yang ini bendo mau jaga meeting sangat doh mau jaga iya udah tang company itu sangat deh nah saya kok keren kayak Kalau saya cuma hall lagi lagi.
Jadi yang masuk hall. Semua orang meeting kena. Ikut apa? Terus aku meeting from Switzerland, blessing by Chelsea. Mana beri? Sudah bahula sih nih, bisingo. Tapre bising nih, angko update lo naik tuh nih. Bising haboi, lo punya sih nih.
We are also very much excited as we are going to start this program once again after a long period of lockdown and these webinars. And today we are having a live session. And today with us will be having our diamonds from Assam, Mr. Robaji Matari, and also because Prakash. These two diamonds are already on their way and they are flying and they'll be very soon with us here. So before we
and 2021 bounce back करना है. Bounce back means what? We are going to really rock. Yes! 2021 is to rock. And I see only youngsters. This is the future of, I would say, the future of tomorrow. It's in your hands. The youth today are the future of tomorrow. That's what everyone is talking about. सब कोई बोल रहा है कि youth are the main people today. बुढ़े लोग का समय चला गया. वो लोग का भी रेस्ट देना है. काम करना है किसको? हम लोग को, राइट? Yes. तो वही मैं गुवाहाटी से आ रहा हूँ अभी. कल हम चेन्नई से आए. Traveling is the best part of Magnesa. कल में हम चेन्नई में थे, वो भी 5-star होटल में. जबरदस्त. Stay free, completely free. Directors खुद लेके आया, खाने के लिए भी लेके आया. With the directors, such a fantastic family. तो कल हम लोग चेन्नई में थे, कल आए, and परसों हम लोग गए. And amazing journey and amazing experience with the directors, all the directors. My dear friends, you see it very young and you can relate with him. It's a young age में घर है, गाड़ी है, BMW चला रहा है. क्या चाहिए? शादी हुआ. And the person who got married मालूम लड़की तो लड़की लोग को पता है. लड़का को शादी होना क्या लाइफ है. रेडीमेड. So यहाँ पे है. After marriage, he has come with a lot of dreams to conquer entire Tripura, I would say. So we have that great person. Once again, welcome this great gentleman.
ceremony, I'd like to request Moji Namsamasari, Chairman Executive of
We're happy to announce that this is the first time from Magnesum Vipra we also have a brand new Royal Enfield 350 Achiever. That's colored and also the Platinum Star Mr. Nabol Salanja. We would also like to request you to please come forward. So this is the first bike Achiever from Tripura. This has happened for the first time and we're expecting many more to come. So along with him, I request our diamonds to proceed with the cake cuttings. And all the achievers, the stars and above, if you can please come on the stage. All the stars and above. Leaders, all the stars and above. So these are the leaders, the rank leaders. So we're requesting all the leaders to please come on stage. The stars and above. So with Sir Prakash and Sir Robert, we will proceed on the cake cutting. And this is the 7th anniversary of Magnesum. And this is the first time that we are celebrating in Tripura. And we are very happy and excited to be celebrating with all of our diamonds. Yes? So we will proceed with the cake cutting.
Okay, so today we are celebrating 7th anniversary year of Magnesum. It's a great feeling, my dear friends. We have cut so many cakes over these days, and today we are going to cut.
So sini ko meeting ba kya? Sunda bog no ko thala sinai. Borako ai ngota. Meeting ba kya sunda bog no ko thala thamanga.